Okay, hello everyone. It's day 2 and we're gonna go to Peanut Island. I have 5 bikinis. I haven't even done my makeup yet, but we are ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. What's happening? What is this?
I don't know what this is. I can tell you one thing, it's not a trunk.
So this is how spacious my car is. We've been struggling every time with our stuff. But we are in Peanut Island.
Peanut Island.
I did my makeup already. I'm taking over SJ's camera. So
Alright guys, we made it to our location at Peanut Island.
we did.
We made it. Now, let me tell you something about your boy.
Tell him.
Your boy don't like boats, alright? I get super seasick every freaking time. It just don't work for me, okay? I've been on several boats and every single time I get seasick. So your boy was nervous on that boat ride over here, but it was like literally like a 10-minute, less than probably 10-minute boat ride, and it was a lot of waves. So I got over here, but when I got up, I did feel a little bit unbalanced. That's just me. I did feel a little bit unbalanced, even though that boat ride was only 10 minutes. Like I said, your boy don't do well with boats, period.
Do you like it here though?
It's nice.
Yeah.
Jojo, are you ready for some
I'm
work?
so ready. Let's do this again. Day 2.
Jojo.
We're gonna kill it.
Jojo didn't bring towels. Jojo didn't bring sunscreen. Okay. I don't know what Jojo's thinking about, but Jojo didn't bring a lot of shit. Okay.
I only brought my bikinis.
This is all the stuff we brought, guys. Mind you, I carried most of it. I'm supposed to. That's just what I'm supposed to do. So, but Jojo had a few jobs to do.
Can we buy one?
No towels. No sunscreen. I don't need a sunscreen, guys. Jojo needs sunscreen. What did you bring instead of sunscreen?
Just bikinis.
And what else?
And me.
She brung tanning oil, guys. Instead of bringing sunscreen, she brung tanning oil.
Tanning oil. That's gonna help.
Yeah, it's gonna help burn our ass. All right, guys, let's get going, man.